For Hauppauge homeowners, comfort and energy efficiency are essential, especially with Long Island's mix of cold winters, humid summers, and unpredictable coastal weather. If your windows are older, drafty, or starting to show signs of wear, they may be doing more harm than you realize. New, modern windows can dramatically improve how your home feels, performs, and looks, making them one of the smartest upgrades you can invest in. Here's how new windows enhance comfort and efficiency throughout Hauppauge residences. Better insulation for consistent indoor temperatures. If you've ever noticed certain rooms feeling too cold in the winter or too warm in the summer, your old windows may be to blame. Older frames and single-pane glass let outside air easily seep in, creating drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. New windows provide improved insulation through double and triple pane glass. Argon or krypton gas fills low conductivity frames, vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, high-quality, multi-layer weather stripping. These advanced features reduce heat transfer and keep your indoor environment more stable, no matter what's happening outside. For Hauppauge residents, this means warmer winters, cooler summers, and comfortable rooms all year round. Reduced drafts and air leakage. Drafts around old window frames make your HVAC system work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. In a climate like Hauppauge's, where winters can be freezing and summers humid, air leaks can quickly drive up energy usage. New windows eliminate these issues by creating an airtight seal, preventing outside air from entering, reducing indoor temperature fluctuations, blocking moisture and humidity with proper installation. New windows stop uncomfortable drafts and help your heating and cooling system run more efficiently. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Modern windows are engineered to perform better and waste less energy. With rising energy costs, homeowners across Hauppauge appreciate that new windows help reduce monthly heating and cooling bills. Energy-efficient windows include low-E coatings that reflect heat, warm edge spacers that prevent heat loss around the frame, multiple glass layers to slow heat transfer by improving insulation and reducing heat gain or loss. Your HVAC system no longer has to work overtime, saving you money while improving home comfort. Enhanced noise reduction for a quieter home. Hauppauge is a vibrant community, and depending on where you live, near schools, busy roads, or lively neighborhoods, excess noise can impact your peace and quiet. New windows help block outside noise with thicker, insulated glass, tighter seals, stronger frames. This makes your home quieter, more relaxing, and better protected from everyday sound disturbances. Less condensation and improved indoor air quality. Old windows often develop condensation or fogging between panes, not only reducing visibility but also signaling insulation problems. Moisture buildup can lead to mold growth, wood rot, poor indoor air quality. New windows use advanced sealing technology and insulation to significantly reduce condensation. For Hauppauge homes, this is especially important during humid summer months and cold winter mornings. Protection from harsh sunlight and UV rays. Long Island summers bring bright sunlight, which can heat your home quickly and cause fading on furniture, flooring, and fabrics. New windows with UV blocking coatings allow natural light in while shielding your interior from damaging rays. This keeps your home cooler while protecting your belongings. Increased home value and curb appeal. New windows not only improve comfort, they also upgrade your home's appearance inside and out. Homebuyers in Hauppauge often look for modern, energy-efficient features, and new windows add immediate value. Benefits include a refreshed, modern look, higher resale appeal, reduced maintenance needs. It's an investment that pays off both now and in the future. Final thoughts. New windows are one of the most impactful upgrades you can make for your Hauppauge home. They improve comfort, reduce energy costs, minimize drafts, block noise, and enhance curb appeal, all while making your home more efficient and enjoyable year-round.